Good morning, it's Henry with BrainStormAcres. A few minutes ago, I finished watering the Dent corn out in the garden and cutting down the tops of some vegetables that have gone to seed. Didn't get them picked in time, so chopped off the tops. Irene will be digging up the roots a little bit later, and we'll be planting that bed with something different. Right now I'm going to go ahead and get 3 more buckets modified for the Dutch bucket system. One of the buckets that I made for the system last year had a leak, and the other 2 weren't right. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these 3 buckets, and then I'll drill holes. I'm going to use the step drill to drill the hole. I have one of the fittings that goes into the side of these buckets behind me, and I'll check it to make sure that I have everything drilled enough.
Photobomb time!
It's photobomb time indeed.
Just finished this.
How'd that go?
I think it went pretty well. I don't think I had them quite as acclimated as I was hoping. You do your best you can.
Did you grab one of the grommets from over there and try seeing if how it will fit in here?
Okay, sure. Last time we wound up using coconut oil. They are warm, so that should help a little. Which one do you want me to check?
The one right there.
Okay.
It should go through relatively easily because the half-inch PVC is going to expand it out. I can cut a little bit more.
Well, I'm having a little trouble because that thumb is sore, so it's I can't push with my thumb. Yeah, I think it needs just a smidge more. Should I try this one?
Yep.
Last time we had to use grease, but it was winter time.
Okay, let me cut that one a little bit more. Check that, see if I did it too far.
That seems good.
Okay.
Must have used the water buckets.
I used 1 water bucket.
Okay. I need to clean up some of the other buckets. I've got things like seeds. They're sitting around in them.
Yep.
Oh, my grommets.
You'll hand me one?
This is too small.
Oh, this one's too small.
Alright, that's 3 of them.
All I need to do now is paint them, and then we can put some PVC pipe in it, and we should be ready to go.
Great.
Alright. Well, why don't you come out here so everybody can see you? Well, in case you didn't guess it, Irene was over here. She came in from planting out the ground cherries and helped me finish up these 3 buckets. We're all done. I have to paint them. I'm not sure I'm going to paint them today because of the wind, but I'm going to get them done so we can get those 3 last buckets in the Dutch bucket system. We can plant up 3 more tomatoes, and that will be done for this year. I may put another set of buckets over here on the other side. I'm not sure.
Right, but that's later.
Well, thanks very much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications because we're always doing something crazy, including when it's not supposed to be windy, and it is.
Yeah, if this isn't windy, I don't want to see when it is windy.
Well, it's not so bad today. It's about half the wind speed of yesterday, which was about 2/3 of the day before, so it's not too bad, really.
Right. But you'll notice something unusual. I'm wearing a coat. I had to go find one because it's been up around 100 for the last couple of weeks, most of the time.
And it was 50, upper 50s this morning.
Well, it was 37 when I got up this morning. It's 5, so, you know.
In any case, thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later. Bye.